Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can bulk delete Mailchimp contacts. Now there are a few reasons why you might want to bulk delete Mailchimp contacts. Things such as removing inactive contacts, removing contacts that have unsubscribed, removing contacts that have bounced, or it might even be to comply with the GDPR. So let's jump into it. I'm going to show you how you can bulk delete your contacts right now. So to start with, you first want to be on the Mailchimp dashboard like I am here. And next we want to head over to our audiences. So if we just click on the audience dashboard here, we can actually just change this audience in the URL to lists. And then from there, it will take us to a page where it shows us all of our audience lists. So I've only got one created. However, if you are using this in your day-to-day life, it's likely that you're going to have multiple audiences and a big number of people inside those audience lists. So first, you want to select which audience you actually want to bulk delete the contacts from. So after you've decided which one, you just want to select that. So just click on the name like this. And then here we can actually see all the contacts that we have. So I've only got 3 fake profiles set up. It's likely that you would have a lot more. So originally I thought you could just click on these and then you'd be able to go to actions and there'll be an option to delete. But as you can see, there isn't actually an option to delete just yet. So in order to actually get that, we first have to go up to manage contacts, which is here. And here it gives us a whole list of different things, but we want to scroll down to the bottom until we see data management tool. So when you see this, go ahead and click on that. And now we actually have the option to delete. So as you can see here, if we click on this one, we can select this to permanently delete. Now, in terms of bulk deleting, if you have a lot of contacts, you don't want to click each one like this. That will take you ages if you've got like thousands of contacts. So assuming you are deleting your entire audience, what you first want to do is click on the top one, and then you just want to hold shift on your keyboard, and then you just want to click on the bottom one. And as you can see, that basically selects all the ones in between where you picked. So because I've only got 3, it selected these 3, but if you have like hundreds or thousands, it will actually select every single contact on that list. So then once you've done that, it's literally as simple as clicking permanently delete, and then it will say you are about to permanently delete 3 contacts from my audience. You will not be able to add these contacts back to your audience. So in order to actually delete them, you have to type in permanently delete, and then we can go ahead and click confirm if we do actually want to delete it. Now I don't actually want to delete these contacts as I'm just doing this for the video, but if you were to do this properly, you can go ahead and click confirm, and then from there your contacts will then have been deleted. So you can just repeat this process for all of the lists that you have. You can go back to that list page we were on earlier. And if you have a separate audience where you wanted to bulk delete some people from, you can choose that audience and do this exact same thing again. And yeah, that is the tutorial. So hopefully now that you've listened and followed this tutorial, you managed to actually bulk delete your Mailchimp contacts. If you did manage to do this successfully, please comment down below to say that this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.